Alright, so it's like midnight. I'm out here in the garage by myself. And I'm gonna get this old fuel line off of here and put the new stuff in. So let's get it rocking. So I'm actually gonna zip tie it together just to kind of keep it where it's supposed to be, I guess. All right, so slide up in here and make it route itself up in there. Now I'm absolutely sure that I'm doing it the wrong way by not having the shock off, but I think I almost got it through. It's just bound up in that corner, that one line. Try not to kink it, but I think I can get it through. We got to get over here to that side with that. It's in. Now, is it right? I don't know. If that goes there, then yes, we're good. If it doesn't, then I don't know. Alright, y'all, so grabbing this fuel line for the vent cap under here. My son's car didn't have one. What's up, JoJo? And so we got to pull this one off. It runs from right here. It makes this little loop right here, and then runs all the way to the back of the car. And I'm guessing it goes up to the coal canister in the front of the car. I'm not really sure. Like I said, this is the first Fox Body Mustang I built, but I went back here and I unbolted it here all the way back. You can see it kind of hanging there. Wiggle, see a little vent there. All right, now. Oh no. All right, so we got the fuel vent line off of the parts car out back. Got it repainted and all ready to go up in there. So let's see if we can fit it in there, huh? Huh, JoJo? See if we can fit it in there? All right, let's try it. Okay, so we know that that one plate screws in right here, right? And that'll hold it up. So I better go grab that plate. But first I'm gonna fish this over the rear end real quick. In there the right way. Sure looks like it, don't it? I can't figure it out. So the plate's all dry. Looking good enough for under the car. Got our screws here. Oh, don't lose them. Alright, good to go. Alright guys, so I got Aiden's Fox Body up in the air to finish up the fuel line, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I don't really have the best light, but anyway. Gonna put that fastener in, then bring it back, and I think I'm gonna rivet this one if I can. And tomorrow during the day I'll give you a better show of the underneath of the car, but anyway, trying to get stuff done. Go a little bit tighter. Guy, I believe goes this way or the opposite way. I can't remember to be honest with you, but looks like it's gonna fit like that. Alright, so we'll just drill that hole out to the size of the rivet, and then we'll rivet that booger in there. So let's do that.